Hi, it's Chris again. There's a world of difference between trying to do something and committing to do something. They are chalk and cheese. They're worlds and worlds apart. I'll try to do that already has built into it an escape hatch. He's got the excuse ready. I'll try, but if it doesn't work out, never mind. On the other hand, I'll commit. I commit to doing this. There's a very different energy, very different intention behind it. Totally different from I'll try. So when you look back on the last month or 6 or 12 months and the performance and the results that are happening in your business or even in your life, how do they look? And of those that worked and those that didn't, what was the difference and how was the approach between whether you tried something or whether you committed to doing something? Because as I've said, there is a world of difference between those two things. When you commit, there's a decision and you shift from, oh, I'll give it a go to I'm doing it no matter what. And when you move to that place, and it's only a decision, when you move to that place, that's when you know that if you come up against some problem and barrier to you making progress, you know that you can go forward because you've committed to doing this. That's when you're going to overcome the barriers. That is when you're going to get the results that you want. But it starts with a decision. Are you, in your business right now, trying or are you committing for the stuff that's really important? If you're ready to make commitments, I've got a system that will help you. And you can find that at the3fs.com/ACC. It's a piece of software you can plug into. You don't need to use that, but it's there available for you if you like. It's the world of difference between committing and simply trying. I hope that's food for thought for you. I'll see you another time.